Check, check. What up, what up? Radio. Gold, back at it. One sec over here. All right, let's have a look over here. Let's have a look over here. Sorry, I'm just having a look at this thing here. Wow. All right, gang, let's have a look. We're here on gold. Another incredible day to be alive. And here on the charts, looking for an opportunity to make some money. All right, fuck, there's so much shit on the screen. Dun. All right, gang. Let's have a look. So gold, I'm going to delete this. Laser, what up, my dude? Good to see you, brother. I just jumped on, so I'm going to do a quick bit of top-down analysis here. I'm going to do a quick bit of top-down analysis here. And then figure out, because I can see potential opportunities arising over here. Chi Joik Noak. What up, brother? What up? Can't hear you on TikTok. Oh, can't hear your voice. That's unusual. Let me have a look here. Microphone. Really? You can't hear me? No sound detected. Check audio settings. Huh. Sorry, let me have a look at this. Check audio settings. Device, Elliott wave. Check. 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 Can you hear now? Yes. And it sounds all normal? All right. Yes, I can hear. Okay, excellent. All right, gang. I'm going to do a quick bit of top-down analysis over here. So I'm going to start at the daily. Let's start at the daily and have a look over here. There was obviously a pretty interesting key level over here that we broke through right here on the daily. It broke through and closed under that. We're getting some sort of wick back up. Could we flip back down and continue pushing down to this next level, which is obviously right here? Right? This is all speculation right now, but it's looking pretty bearish. Is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. So let's drop back to the 4 hour. So 4 hours is gradually working its way down. We're kind of just tapping up back into that range here again. So we're kind of dancing around there again right now. The previous 4 hour closed very strong. Big body, small wicks. What's the 1 hour look like? 1 hour is kind of ranging within here. We had some sort of pennant that got broken out of during the Asia session. You can see it pretty clear, like it was a very clean pennant and then it just shot out of it. We came up, dancing around. Candle bodies are getting smaller over here. Check this out, guys. On the 1 hour, look at these candle bodies getting smaller. I think an opportunity for a buy could be arising over here very shortly. 30-minute candle and the 15. So I'm going to draw out my two zones of interest here, which is boom right here and boom right here. What's this range in between here? Oh, it's pretty small. So that's a 25 pip range. That is a base, yeah. What do you mean by that, Uncle? What do you mean by that? So I'm looking at, I think I'm going to be looking at a buy above or a sell below. Based on the higher time frames, I'm kind of hoping that we get some sort of buy opportunity, which is a closure above. So I'm going to put in some text here. Buyers above. Closure. World's quickest analysis, but I'm probably going to flick through again, but this is just what I see right now. I'll flick through it again very shortly and see what's up. Let me just bring this over here so TikTok can see. What time frame do you use, bro? I use them all. Like, I build a bias on the higher time frames, but I never go below the 15 minute, and I typically execute my positions on the 15 minute or the 30 minute, ideally a 30, but 15 usually gives more opportunities. So I'm writing buys above there, and then I'm also going to write gold for all the people that are like, what is this? For those people, this is gold. So it's basing as in it's leveling out before it breaks out for a rally. Yeah. Oh, here we go. So this candle's still got 9 minutes over here. So like anyone that follows my streams and knows how I trade, I always have to wait for a candle close. Not always, but in these instances, I need to wait for candle closures before I can take a trade. So we've got 9 minutes over here. And then I'll put something here. Sells below. Below closure, meaning I need a candle to actually close. Right. So that's where we are. This is the range we're in, waiting for some sort of breakout over here. It's a pretty small range, but I think it's had a pretty clear consolidation. This is great stuff, by the way. Oh, thank you, brother. It's had a pretty clear consolidation, this range. The hour's very juicy. The hour's showing like, yeah, we came up. The candle bodies are getting progressively smaller, meaning there's a lack of volume for the market moving in that particular direction. So could we see some sort of reversal? And this would be called an onion setup. Anyone that follows like a Don Vu or a Nick Stewart, this would be considered an onion. Thumbeleel, I don't know how to pronounce your name, but thank you. Good morning. Maurice, yes, that's right. I was thinking that. I forgot about that. Good to see you here. Back here on gold. See if we get something happening over here. Remnant, I just love how your analysis of the market. Oh, thank you. Yeah, keep it pretty simple over here. Just price action, candlestick structure, and oh, what up, gold bull trading? Good to see you back. So we're trying to pin the market over here. We've got clean range for buyers and sells, but we need a breakout of this consolidation range. Do you mainly trade gold or others? Just gold, brother, just gold. I stick to just gold. I used to trade multiple pairs, but I found the most success when I just stuck to gold and just a London session. So that's what I do. I show up here every day on stream. So if you're not following, drop a follow. I'll be here every day. Oh, Maurice, thank you for the ice cream. Ice cream's so good. Amazing. Thank you very much. You boys getting rich off gifts here. Oh, Danny, thank you for the follow, brother. Thank you for the follow. Oh, someone else dropped the ice cream. Smiley face. Thank you. Wow. Ice cream's so good over here. Oh, man, I'm zesty. TikTok's turning me hella zesty. Had a crazy day yesterday, which recovered me from Friday's loss. Oh, incredible. Damn, smiley face going wild on the gifts. Suman Sai, morning from Dubai, brother. Oh, incredible. Good to have you here, bro. Good to have you here. Just here on gold, waiting for a bit of an opportunity over here. Damn, smiley face. You're going crazy on the gifts. I don't know what any of these gifts mean, but I'll see after my lives. TikTok sends me an email. It's like, you just made 80 cents. I was like, oh, interesting. Cool. Yeah, I'm currently still learning, but I've been looking into crypto, gold, and Forex. Oh, that's... Crypto and Forex... Like, crypto and, like, day trading is two very different things, right? Day trading is we show up every day to the market and look to extract some money out, right? Where crypto is like, you know, how many people... Like, all my whole social medias are flooded with all the new crypto heads. and all the new scams, and the bull run of crypto is back. So you're getting all these people that are trying to get rich again. And it's just like, bro, I'm glad I'm not involved in that. I'll just stick to my showing up every day and taking a little piece of the pie. Time frame 15-minute radio we're watching. Oh, gotcha, bro. Thank you, smiley face. You are the chosen one. Thank you. I'm intrigued after this live to see if I crack $1 today on this stream. So yeah, we're just here watching gold. What's a 30-minute look like? There's a lot of indecision here. There's weakening of candles. I think we're gonna get some sort of breakout shortly, and that's all. Let me just zoom out a bit here. I'm gonna do another quick little top down here. So the 4-hour looks like this. There's a key area over here that we're kind of tapping back up into, but we are in a progressive downtrend. The last 2 4-hour candles ago, it came up strong and closed with no top wick and then completely rejected. This one has opened up. It's created a top wick and is coming down. It's only just opened up. The previous 1 hour's bodies are getting progressively smaller, and the 30 and the 15 is showing complete indecision. So we're stuck in this zone here. And well, I think the best thing is going to be to do is wait for a breakout and then go back, flick through the time frames and see if the other time frames back up the story of a breakout, just to ensure it's not a fake out. Hope everyone has a blue day. Yes, be careful. CPI used today. Yeah, CPI in a while. We've still got a fair bit of time for that. We've still got like 4.5 hours, so it should be okay if you trade in London. Yasmi, what up? What up? I'm incredible. I feel better than I did yesterday, and yesterday I felt better than I did the day before, so I'm progressively on an uptrend in life, which is good, right? I hope you're doing well too. Yes, I have seen. Haven't been able to stick to any price action strategies with crypto. Yeah, because crypto is more of an investment, right? You're kind of betting. You're like betting on economical factors to push it in a certain direction and things like that. It's not like, I don't think technical analysis works as well with crypto. I could be wrong, but when I look at it, I'm like, it doesn't seem to respect technical analysis the same way that like Forex does. But I could be wrong. I haven't looked into it enough. A lot of rejections in this 15-minute, yeah. And I'm not too, because you would look at that and say, look, it's all rejecting from the upside, but the other time frames show a different story. They kind of show like just rejections all around type shit. You know, a lot of doji candles, the 1 hour, the 30-minute. So there's indecision here, but we've got London volume coming in, so I think we should get some sort of breakout. And if we don't, it's okay. Seems like a downtrend, yeah. It will. On the higher time frame, it is technically a downtrend, I would say. But the goal today isn't to come in and get a trade. The goal is just to come in, execute the playbook, execute the game plan, and that's it. And if the game plan doesn't arise, meaning that what I look for in the market just doesn't show in a clear manner, I don't have to trade. It's fine. And sometimes I feel the pressure of being on stream, like, oh, I better trade. Sorry guys, if I don't see my setup, then I won't trade. But typically on a day-to-day basis, I see 1 to 2 setups, so why not? Can you check US 30 for a bit? I want to see something, bro. Yeah, all right, let's have a look. I don't usually look at this shit, but let's have a look. US 30. Dow Jones. Oh, shit. Interesting. We're melting quite a lot over here. So it's about to hit a key area of support over here, right? Very interesting shape over here. You don't usually see like that particular type of shape, how it's kind of... This reminds me of something. There's a name for this, a setup similar to this. I'll find it soon. Fuck me, look at that. So that's the election, right? And then we're getting some sort of pullback here. It's about to hit a... I think a lot of people are going to stress out here. A lot of people, oh, it's coming back. It could just dance around this support now for a little while. Head and shoulders, no. Like it's called like a bat formation or something. Bat formation. trading. It's way super technical. It's not cool. Yeah, it's shit like this, right? Anyway, I don't put much weight into it, but although that did fucking look quite similar. Bro, that looks pretty freaking similar. And I don't know anything about this particular type of setup, but like, I'm aware of it, but I don't put too much weight into it. I mean, I never really looked into it. I don't really care. I'm trying to show TikTok, but it's kind of cutting it off. What does it say here? So it says, if the person that asked about US 30, look into this. Looks very quite similar to what's going on over here potentially. I could be way off. It just reminded me of that. Oh, someone got $600. Maurice, nice. It does that one. Crazy Chinese roof saying. All right, let's see what's happening to gold over here. The 15 is about to close, or it has, closed. Yeah, we're still in this zone over here, in this range. Thanks, bro. No problem. Yeah, good shit, man. Jesse, aka Jashnika. What up? Good to have you here. Waiting for a breakout over here. Any reason why London time zone for gold? What do you mean? So this 30 still open. This is technically pre-London since there's been some sort of daylight savings or some shit going on. But that's fine by me. I think the volume's still going to be there. Oh, I thought you said you were trading London. Yeah, so London session time. So there's session times, right? There's a London, the Asian, and the New York. So if you go to babypips.com, technically we're in pre-London right now. And there's a section called market hours. You can see it here. And I can move this and I can see, oh, yep, there's London. London's the blue. Green is New York. And you can kind of see what session time you're in your part of the world. So right now we're technically in pre-London. But yeah. What's your prediction for gold today? It depends what you mean. I'm not the prediction type of trader. So I'm just here to wait for a confirmation for my setup, and then I take my little piece of the pie along the way of whatever it wants to do. What are you trading? You have to read. Oh, you're lucky. I just realized these things for whatever reason aren't visible for you guys right here. I'm trading gold. Let me just push these over. That's weird. They were visible before. Excellent. Man, I scroll through TikTok live sometimes and see some traders, and it's just like someone will have like 300 live viewers and they're just like pointing at the screen like, buy now, buy. It's going up, buy, sell. And it's just like all these fucking idiots in the chat like, oh, so many people are here for a gamble, and it's just like, I don't think them type of people come to this stream much, like, because they're clearly not. This isn't a gamble stream. You might as well go to the casino. I take trading serious, and I wait patiently for my setup, even if it means you get less viewers than These freaking crazy people. I got some blue. Oh, I don't know what's going to happen. All right, let's have a look at USD JPY then. USD JPY. Oh, it's just cruising up, eh? Yep. Is this all-time highs for this shit? No. Yeah, interesting. CPI might disturb. Oh yeah, CPI is going to have a huge impact today. Today more than ever. It's the first one since the new president, right? So we're stuck in this little range here, and bro, teach me. Show up to the stream every day. Drop a follow if you're not already, so you can see the stream, and yeah, just keep watching the stream. I'll talk through everything I do, right? Just organically. If you want to, you know, be a bit closer, I'll keep dropping shit in the Discord. I've got a Discord in my TikTok bio, and we just keep shit popping off. Keep killing the rap game. Why is the quality so shit on these lives? Like, I feel like it should be better. Oh well. I'll figure it out one day. So we're just patiently waiting over here. Trading is a waiting game. We get paid to wait. So we'll let the impatient new traders become liquidity, and we'll wait patiently and just increase our probability of winning by being patient. Not to say it's a guarantee, but it's just going to increase the probability a little bit more. Most traders lose when it comes to setups. Patience is key. Yeah, exactly what I was just saying. 100%. Yep. Do you only trade gold? Yeah, just gold. Electric kids cars. Hello, Mr. Fund me $10. Bro, can I have $10? That's right, that was gold. At least he tried. Maybe he just goes to stream asking, and eventually someone's like, yeah, I'll give you $10. It's the new way of like homeless people asking for money. I'll happily give someone $10. It just has to make sense, right? It just has to make sense. So getting some sort of push up here. Is it going to break through, or is it going to be another rejection? How can we fund you $10, bro? I don't know anything about this game. Oh shit. How long have you been trading? 2.5 years. And a couple months ago, I decided to start streaming because I show up every day regardless. So I thought, you know what, it'd be a good opportunity to start streaming and do what I do anyway, but do it live. And if someone gets something out of it, that's cool. I tried to give money, but I don't know what happened. Oh, to me? I think in TikTok, people send gifts as like technically money, right? That's when I get a wow. When I get a gift, I'm like, oh, that's like 10 cents. How long have you been profitable? How profit are you? I don't know, bro. I've still got a day job, right? So I'm obviously not to that level yet. I have a profitable system. It's just a matter of executing it every day. I work through the day, finish work, and jump straight on stream and get better every single day. Oh, Dillawa, what up, my dude? What up? I'm going good. Blessed. I know that word is thrash, but sometimes you just gotta be like, man, I'm kind of blessed over here. Hoop Cam 1, what up, what up? Good to have you here in the YouTube chat. You guys, I'm on YouTube as well. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. I'm live stream on YouTube right now. You get the full screen type shit. Your winning rate, I don't know. I'm still figuring it out. I'm still collecting data. But I've got a decent win rate, to be honest. Or at least my losses are much smaller than my wins as well. When I'm not an idiot. Bro, do you think gold will go back up to 280 in 2025? I don't know. And you've got to ask yourself, does it matter? Does it matter? Like, let's just try and get a piece of the pie right now. Capped_Dan, learned a lot from your trading. New trader hashtag. Oh, that's incredible, man. I love to hear that. I love to hear that there. Yep, that's the thing, bro. I just show up every day and just do the goddamn thing. And you guys have probably seen me lose plenty of times. I think it's really good to show how someone loses, right? I try to lose in the most professional way I can, which is have a clear loss limit and also manage my loss. As soon as I enter a trade, I'm not like, how much profits am I going to get? I think, how can I manage my loss? I want to know, how good is your analysis? It depends what you mean by that. I'm on 8 months, still a roller coaster crazy some days, but starting to make some money. Oh, incredible, Jesse. Incredible. Yep, it's a roller coaster for sure. But as long as you just keep showing up and learning from your mistakes, you can only get better, right? Oh, Faran, thank you for the gifts over there. And smiley face on the ice creams. Oh, shit. Should not enter first. All right, I've got 3.5 minutes here for this 15 close. I wonder if it can close outside of this range here. All right, let's see if we can close outside of the range, because that'll also be a 30-minute closure, which is a much stronger confirmation than just a 15-minute closure. I want to try trading with you today. Yeah, people say that, and I say you can do that at your own cost. Like, I'm not here to give signals and be like, guys, I'm entering. Like, you'll see when I enter and everything I do. If you want to trade with me, that's on you, but I'm not endorsing that. Do you improve as a trader when you started streaming? Yes, I did. I did, because I had to be much more professional about it. I couldn't do any degeneracy. A lot of the times in the past when I've lost money, it's because I've done stupid degenerate trading. But I know if I'm on stream and I know there's other traders and we're all kind of doing it, we're all trying to chase the same dream, I got to act like a professional, man. So yeah, it definitely improved. Been sideways for the last 2 hours. Yeah, waiting for a little bit of a breakout over here. I really like the idea of this one breaking out, because this is going to be a 30-minute breakout. But with that being said, there's other things that need to be taken into consideration as well. So once this breaks out, then a new set of boxes need to be ticked, right? As the trade progresses, boxes have to be ticked. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this and just see what's up over here. When it gets to about 1 minute, I'm gonna flick through the time frames and start looking at reasons why this is a bad idea. So I'm gonna try to actually play a game of not what makes this a good trade. I'm gonna play a game of what makes this a bad trade if I decide to enter. I'm gonna look for bad things, not good things. I wanna look for reasons that later on, I don't wanna take this trade, and then after I lose, I go, ah, man, I freaking missed that right there. Like, that was a clear indication why I shouldn't have taken the trade, type shit. If that makes sense. Good fortunes to you all today. Sorry, Dan, got to shoot now. We'll see you around. Oh, okay, sweet as brother. Thank you. Good fortune to you as well. Take it easy. Are you live every day? Yeah, I'm live every day over here. I'm on YouTube right now, and I'm also on TikTok. So yeah, I'll be live every day during the London sesh. So drop a follow if you're not following, so you don't miss a live, gang. Someone said B now. Buy now? If you read what it says there, buys above, yes. But what does it say next to that? Closure. I need a candle to close. If I don't get a candle to close, then I'm gambling, right? There's a time and a place, but right now isn't that time and the place for a impulse buy. Kyle, hi. Do you offer account management? No, but I have a Discord. Join the Discord and I'll help you become better. So you don't need an account management. It's in my bio. Where do you see sold tomorrow? Like as in the crypto coin? Are there any good casinos in Australia? Yes, bro. There's a new one that's just opened up in Brisbane. It's amazing. So check this out, you guys. The 30 minute and the 15 just closed. Where did it close? Still in the range. What does that mean? My hands are tied and it's time to just play the patient game. What did a lot of traders do just here today? Let me show you something over here. I'm going to bring up Zoom right now. And I want you to check this out. I'm going to bring up Zoom so I can draw something here. I just realized someone in a freaking trading chat just asked about casinos, bro. We leave the casinos for NFP day. No, but not. So there's a lot of traders that have the same thesis as I do, which is they're waiting for some sort of breakout of this consolidation. New traders in the game that have been watching this for a while now, they got antsy right here and said, yeah, look, it's rejected this many times. This time it's going to go and I'm going to take a buy right here. What did it do? It rejected back down and now it's pushing back down and their stop losses just got hit. What do a patient traders do? They say, I strictly stick to my rules and my rules say I can't take a buy until a candle closes outside of this range. So that's what we're doing over here. Would have been nice if you could have predicted the effect of Trump victory of gold. Oh yeah, we would all be freaking trillionaires. But that's why it's just like no one can predict. Let's just do what we can and play the game. Do you need a lot of money to start buying and selling gold? Depends what you mean. If you mean trading, you can buy a prop firm account, a cheap prop firm account for like $100 and try to pass a challenge and get funded and make more money. Are you located in Australia? Yeah, I'm in Brisbane, Australia. Check out USD JPY. Tell me why I should check it out. Careful, fake out, breakout. Yep. A lot of people got faked out because they got impatient. What's your time frame? 30 and 15 I'm mainly looking at over here. A lot of wicks. So yeah, we've just got to be patient. I've got to wait for a candle closure. And if it gets like a minute before a candle closure, it looks like it's going to close outside of that range, then I'll start flicking through the time frames again and just getting a fresh analysis to make sure I'm not missing anything. Are there ever scam candles to mislead people? No, that's conspiracy theory shit. It's just a scam to people because they're too impatient. Oh, verified gangster, good to see you back. I haven't seen you in a while in here, brother. Yeah, 15-minute candles, 15 minutes time frame. This isn't a good time and place to trade anymore, especially in gold. What makes you say that? This is an excellent time to trade. Excellent time to trade. We've got the London volume. It's post-election. This is an excellent time to be a trader. Excellent time to be a trader. How good do you think that trade will do? What trade? The trade that I'm potentially going to take? I have no idea. All I can do is stick to my plan, and my plan shows me that when I stick to that plan, the probabilities are a bit more tilted in my favor. Other than that, it's in the hands of the trading gods. All I can do is manage my position so I don't lose more than I need to. Which prop firm do you recommend? They're all good. They're all good. It's like when people say, what broker do you use? It doesn't matter. They're all the same. You just put money in there and trade. Right? I think people get too caught up in like the things that I'm not having a stab. I'm just saying like in general, like it's like a human nature thing. Like we get too caught up in things that aren't really important. The main thing that's important is just do the work, right? Just show up. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Pam. Gang, gang. We are killing it. If we buy, what's your target? So if we get a breakout over here, my target's obviously just up here, right? Where these peaks are. It's clean range to the left-hand side. What's this pip count? That's a big range. It's like 50 pips over there. Like the probability of me holding it all that way is probably low. I'll probably take partials along the way and move stops to break even and let the rest run. Which broker are you using? Bro, I just went on a rant about that. I don't know which broker I'm using. Actually, I do. I'm affiliated with a broker now, to be honest, but I haven't done anything with it yet. Is the UK session the best to trade? I like it. It matches up with me, my lifestyle as well, though, so I'm a bit biased. But yeah, I think it's the best anyway. Just the right amount of volume. Yeah, it's good. Is FTMO valid in Australia? It was, but I actually had to leave FTMO because they changed their leverage amount in Australia, so you can't really like leverage much. You can't even risk 1% anymore. Australia's pretty strict with like leverage and all this shit. It kind of sucks. So yeah, FTMO is no good anymore in Australia, I don't think. Is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. And it shot up. It was longer than 1 hour ago. It was actually about 8 hours ago or something. I live in Australia and I'm looking good one. If you live in Australia and that's how you speak, you need to go to somewhere. All right, 8 minutes over here. Wonder if we're going to get a breakout. We'll see. And here's the other thing, you guys. So a lot of people are watching this as well and like, oh, we're going to get a breakout. Here's what else can happen. This candle that's moving up right now can just go. And that happens sometimes. That's the price you pay for sticking to a strict set of rules that increase your probability over the long run of you making successful trades. But sometimes you just can't do anything about it. It leaves, and all you can do is just wait because another setup is going to arise. Okay, I missed the thing I was looking at now. Cool, I'll just wait. It's not like the charts are going anywhere. It's going to make a new setup, and I'll just take that one. Can gold reach 2620 today? Gold has unlimited possibilities, so who knows? Oh, Ryan, what up, dude? What is up? What is up? There's a lot of people from my culture, Assyrians, that live in Melbourne. Oh. Yeah, there actually is. There's a lot of Assyrians in Australia. Oh, thank you for the follows over there, TikTok. Gang shit. Are you coming live when CPI or not? No, I'll be done by then. And I'll happily sit that one out and just wait. Come back tomorrow. That'll be for the New York session traders. Which currency in this is gold? Look, right here, it says gold. The consolidation range is much. Yeah, it's been consolidating for what? Let's have a look. You know, like 3.5 hours. But I say it all the time, the longer the consolidation, the bigger the breakout. It's just fueling up right now. Fueling up. What happens when you run a marathon? Sometimes you just need a break, drink some water, and then you're off again. The market's just drinking some water, having a breather, and then it's like, watch this, I'm out of here. And if we play our cards right, we can be along that journey. We can jump on the backpack and get a free ride. Oh, man. Wouldn't it sweep liquidity and move the opposite direction? It depends what your belief system is in the markets. it depends what your belief system is. I don't really like adopt that belief system. I do to a degree. You see it sometimes, but I don't think, okay, the market needs to grab liquidity before it can make a new move. I just think it does whatever it wants, and we as people had to like come up with terms of things that we think it's doing. Not to say it's invalid. Everyone has their own belief system. That's really all it is. The markets are just doing their own thing, and then we have to adopt a belief. And my belief isn't necessarily like, oh, liquidity sweeps and shit. TikTok spam the likes. I'm trying to get to 1 billion likes on this stream, so I'm trying to break a new TikTok record. Who's that chick? Bella, like the most liked TikTok? Yeah, I'm trying to beat hers on a live. And we've got 5 minutes to do it. When do you start streaming? Well, it's 5 p.m. my time, like pre-London Open. It'll be 1 hour before London, or maybe London Open now. Oh, look at them like spamming. Gang. Thanks, gang. Wild. I've got 4 minutes over here. Which country are you in? Australia, mate. I'm in Australia, mate. Crikey. Oh, yeah, you're true. That's right over there, Maurice. We've got 19 minutes till technical London Open. Oh, look at this. Nearly 1,000 likes here on TikTok, and more than 1,000 in like fucking 30 seconds. Roo Storm, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. TikTok, if you're not following, drop a follow so you can catch the stream every day here. We're taking over the game and making trillions along the way. I just finished a 12-hour night shift and now I'm watching you. Oh, Cat. Are you trading? Moaz, thank you for the heart over there. I'm making profits in the gifts over here. TikTok going wild on the likes. Just got like three grand. Oh, you just started trading this week. Okay, excellent. I think you've come to a pretty decent place for someone that's just started. I would also suggest you do the Baby Pips free course. And yeah, just start learning the game. Lee Pappy Trader. Hello, what is up? Good to have you here. TikTok spamming the likes of me. Yeah. Bro, I was literally on 3,000 like a minute ago. Full porting my life saving 10 lots, sell on gold. Verified gangster. That is some verified gangster shit to do, especially when the market's moving up right now. Forget about trading. The hearts will make you millions. Bro, I think that's fucking... Yeah, I think you might be onto something there. Oh, yeah, that's funny. It's literally on 3,000 a minute ago. Guys, we've got 2 minutes over here before this candle closure. And then we've got another 15 for a London Open. I wonder if we're going to get some sort of breakout before London Open. And if so, I have to take that into consideration because I believe interesting things happen when London opens. I've seen a lot of the time the market reverse. Lost 200,000 last week. No, you didn't. A 200,000 prop account, you mean? What's going to happen with CPI? Only God knows. Chris, what up, brother? It's good to see you here. Good to see you back, brother. Was on 3,000 likes a minute ago, but TikTok just went wild with the spam. Chat went wild. TikTok, if you're not following, drop a follow, my G's, because I'll be live streaming here every day. So if CPI happens, it will be bullish or bearish. No one knows, brother. And who cares anyway? Unless you're trying to gamble it. 200K US thanks to Trump. So you're telling me, thanks to Trump, you won 200,000 US dollars and then just lost it? We're bullish on the hearts, bro. The hearts are the only thing that's bullish. It's nearly at 100. It's nearly, it just hit 10K. All right, so the profits are coming in on the hearts. Let's see if the market's going to do the same. So it looks like we might get a breakout here, but be careful with this, I think. I'm going to use my brain here real quick. Let me just flick through these time frames. So the 4 hours coming down, closed a smaller body than the prior 4 hour. It's at a rejection, 4 hour rejection zone here to the right, left. The 1 hour is shown weakening bearish candles. All right, so we're going to have to wait and see how this closes. It's got a second over here. If it closes with no top wick, we could be in trouble. Okay, it's closed with no top wick, so I'm going to tell you what I'm going to wait for now. And I might miss this trade. And I'm okay with that because I do feel like with the London volume coming in, we could get faked out here. I think I'm going to need to wait. You guys, check this out. Listen to me real quick. This might come up here like this. Like, let's say this flips bullish again. It might come up here like this and I go, oh man, I missed the trade. But believe me, I have a feeling it will flip and turn into a wick. I believe it'll flip and turn into a wick. And let's say it flips and turns into a wick, pushes down, and then starts to push back up. Then I will take a buy at the break of these wicks to the left-hand side. Okay? Because it closed with no top wick 15 minutes before London Open. So we've got to be careful here. It's rejecting right now, so let's just see what happens. You've got a 50-50% chance of it reversing when a candle closes with no top wick, especially at a high wick zone, because no range has been created there. The market loves range. I'm currently losing 500 USD with an XM copy trading a full opening. Brother, you got to learn the game yourself. Don't listen to this guy. He's scamming everyone. No, I will not give you my ledger seed price. What? Bro, how about 13,000 likes on TikTok? You guys are wild. Which time frame are you using? Oh, you said which, like WITCH. I'm using the witchery time frame. No, I'm on the 15 right now. Hit likes, peeps. Yeah, bro. Okay, isn't this interesting, you guys? Look how heavily it rejected. I hope no one took a buy there because I said waiting for a closure. But I did say many times, once it closes, then you have other boxes that need to be ticked after you get that candle closure. It's not like a candle closes and then I'm in. Yes, there's a time and a place, but in this instance, it was, okay, that box is being ticked. That's a very important box. Now I need more boxes to be ticked. Damn, TikTok going wild. Drop a follow if you're not already following TikTok. I'll be live streaming here every day, so you don't miss it. Drop a follow, gang. Sounds like he's a totally different type of bearish. What platform do you use? No top wick. Yeah, exactly. I use a bunch of different platforms, but I'm assessing the markets right now here on TradingView. Then I'll switch over to NinjaTrader, 100K challenge account to actually execute the trade. Oh, Jimmy Trading, Quad 313, Duval and Young Yoina. Thank you for the follow. So yeah, isn't this interesting? Let's have a look at the 30. The 30 is going to show another wick. It's just Wick City over here, you guys. It's Wick City over here. The 1 hour closes in 11 minutes as well. I'm very bullish, you guys. I'm very bullish on the 1 hour. The 1 hour's looking very nice. Poor volume. No, it's just fueling up pre-London. This is good. This is good. Bro, which company funded account is better? They're all good. They're all good. Oh, thank you for the follow over there, TikTok. You guys are crazy. So check this out, guys. I'm going to draw something here. If this 1 hour candle closes anywhere that it is right now, the next one opens up, wicks down, something like this, then flips. I'm going to take a buy here based off the 1 hour time frame. I'm not going to look at the other time frames at all. Okay, I'm going to take a 1 hour buy if this exact setup arises. But we've got 11 minutes over here. A lot can happen in 11 minutes. This candle here can turn red and shit like that within this time frame. So we'll have to wait and see. But just say in a perfect world it closed how it is now, then I'm going to take a trade based off the 1 hour. Company name. Ah, man, there's so many. FTMO. fucking Apex, Topstep. The list goes on. Just Google it. There's so many, bro. And they're all good. They're all the same. Yep, waiting to see what that 1 hour is going to do. Yeah, laser, same, bro. Let's show full screen. What do you mean and why? What's the purpose? What do you want out of, like, why do you want me to show the full screen? Look at the lower time frames to find the optimal entry price. No, I don't. Let's just see what happens over here. What do you think of XNES? Oh, someone said that to me once in the chat, and I was like, man, that's the most zesty. That's the most zesty, like, funded name, right? XNES. I don't know anything about it. I don't know. Okay, but if you pass the phase 2, then how many lost in your account? Bro, you have to just look it up. If you're completely new to funded, you're gonna have to spend like a couple days or a day and just do full research into it. Talk to ChatGPT and stuff. Just ask questions. Just start to understand what they are and how they work. You can't see it in the UK. XNES. I'm in Dubai and I've been using multi-bank. They're shifty as hell. Oof. Okay, here's another potential. A lot of things are lining up for buys for me. If this candle here, let me black this out. Let me show you guys something over here. Alternatively, I know that I've got this strong level of resistance here that we broke out, but we created no top wick and then it rejected. We've come down like this. If this candle can come up like this and close like this, now we've created support outside of that range, outside of that resistance range. If the next candle after that can wick down again, just test one more time, show me you don't want to be down there, and flip, this is a beautiful opportunity to take a buy here. I'll take an impulse buy there. I won't wait for a candle closure. I'll take an impulse buy there. And the other thing is, on the 1 hour, that's going to show what I drew up before as well. So a lot of things are lining up here for potential buys. We've just got to be patient. And if it doesn't, if it decides to leave and all this happens, whatever, it is what it is. I have to stick to my rules, and my rules say I'm looking for a certain set of things, and that's it. Show full screen so we can see previous price movements. It shows the overall trend of the market. I'm on YouTube right now as well. Daniel Holmes Trades, and I've got the full screen on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades. I'm live, bro, so you can see the full screen there. But right now, I don't need to see the full screen because I'm just focusing on what's happening here. That's all. But I see what you're saying. Oh, V-Ratch, what up? What up? Is that the 15 minute? Yeah, 15 minute. I'll be flicking through them all, but I'm just focused on the 15 right now. I'll never go below the 15, and that's that. Oh, KKKKK, thank you for the follow there. And TikTok, if you're not following, drop a follow, man. I'll be live every day, bro. Every day, bro. It's every day. Who's gonna win, you guys? Jake Paul or Mike Tyson, bro? Mike Tyson's 60, bro. 60. We're going to be watching a freaking 60-year-old get beat up. Today's buy entry. Oh, someone named VIP Gold Signal is saying things. And you guys, check this out. If anyone follows you on TikTok, there's apparently like a lot of people have been messaging me lately saying there's fake accounts of me type shit. Just be careful. Because they're fake and they'll try and scam you and stuff. Like, I don't even sell anything. So it's like, it can't be me selling shit. I don't sell anything to my community or anything. Mike Tyson's going to turn Jake to dust. Bro, he's 60 though. That's the only issue. I'd love to see it as well, but we're talking about a 60-year-old man. I'm a profitable trader, bro. We should tap in. Yeah, join the Discord. I got a Discord in the in my TikTok bio. Join the Discord and we can chat, bro. Man, I love trading. I love traders. Like, it's the thing that I'm most passionate about. So if I get to speak to other traders, it makes my day. That's why this is the best part of my day. I get to speak to you guys, like see what you guys are up to. The whole fight will be scripted. Legally let a 6-year-old man get knocked out. Where did you learn to trade, bro? I've been trading for a few years now, not profitable. I went around the world, but I would say the strategy I'm with now and the things that I've done now is most close to Raja Banks, Don Vo, and Nick Stewart. But the strategy is one part. It's more like the person you have to become to be a better trader, right? And I had to do a lot of self-work to improve my trading. So it's a lot of looking in the mirror. As annoying and cringe as that sounds, it's so true, bro. I'm up 24k on a paper account. When should I go funded? Maybe try and do a cheap funded account. Buy the cheap one, like a 5k funded account or something. Test your skills now. Test it with real emotions and see if you can have some success there. I've made 15k this week. We could definitely make some money together. Oh, that's pretty freaking wild. Oh, Dilawar in the YouTube chat. I agree. It's all about discipline. Yep. Because, guys, who can agree with this? If you're trading, it's pretty obvious it's a highly emotional, like it's pulling on high emotions, right? It's a high emotional game. And when you're playing a high emotional game, all your weaknesses, they come to the surface, right? Your greediness, your anger, your need to win, your hate to lose. All these things come to the surface, and you really have to peel back your personal layers and work on that in order to become a better trader. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if you're shit at losing, essentially, you won't succeed. I got this book by me all the time, The Best Loser Wins. And before I jump on stream and shit, I'll just open it up because I know that every page is just wisdom. Look, I just opened up a random page. Let's read what it says. What is normal behavior amongst retail traders? We know that 80 to 90% of retail traders engage in the same selfish, destructive behavior. We know that some of the 90% of traders that do not make money consistently, it is probably also fair to assume that 90% of these traders are intelligent, ambitious, self-motivated humans. Right? He goes on a big spiel about saying we know 90% of traders lose, but you could guarantee they're just normal, good people, but why do they consistently lose? Like, why do 90% lose? And it's because of these inbuilt human emotions, like these reactions that we have to losing. Oh, here we go. YouTube's trying to hit me up with some error message over here. There's not enough video to maintain, bro. That's cap. YouTube, are you still there? It's because it's storming. Like, I can hear crazy storm. All right, we've got 2 minutes here for this candle to close. The 1 hour is going to close and London Open's about to happen. Facts. That's true. Yeah, man. Verify. Oh, did somebody ask for signals in the chat there, gangster? Your YouTube looks really good. I wish your TikTok was the same landscape and view. Yeah, I know, bro. It sucks. I can't help it. Guys, I'm on YouTube right now as well, live stream with the whole screen. But because TikTok, you're lagging, bro. Ooh. Yeah, I think there's a crazy storm happening, so it's glitching me out a bit. That's a shame. Oh, well. As long as you can hear the audio and see the screen and shit. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Because TikTok's obviously up and down, like where YouTube, it's like a landscape. Bro, where are you from? Australia? Yeah, I live in Australia, Queensland. To be more specific, Brisbane. All right, gang, let's look at the 30. And let's look at the 1 hour. This is beautiful. So I'm going to get ready over here. Like I said before, check this out. Man, the rain in the background's crazy. if this closes how it is here, the next one can wick down a little bit, flip. I'll probably take some sort of impulse buy about there. Right. I wonder if I should open up the background. Fuck it. I'm going to open up the background. Oh, you can't really tell. You can tell on YouTube. It's crazy thundering. All right, let's see what's going on over here. Let's see what's going on over here. Z followed. Thank you for the TikTok follow there, Z. All right, so I drew up what I'm looking for. Let me just make sure Ninja Trader's up and I'm ready in case my setup presents itself in a wonderful fashion. Bro, I've got so much shit on the screen. So Ninja Trader is where I'll be executing my trade. Let me just get rid of some of all this shit. I don't need any of these indicators. This is the 15. Why does it look so different? Wow, the rain's like making me feel weird. It's so aggressive. Could see a reversal though. Just wait for a retracement. I miss US. Bye now. All right, let me just flick through these time frames. Just have a bit of a look-see. What's the 1 hour look like again? So my thesis is that if this 1 hour flips green, right, and leaves the wick will look something like this, I believe it'll have enough volume to get through, but I'm going to take a buy here and I won't really be paying attention to the other time frames at all. Please let me know a signal for a buy. No, I'm not a signal provider. This isn't a casino, but if you decide to take the same trades, feel free to do so. This is a 1 hour time frame right here. So I'm going to put a buy stop up here. I'm going to flick to the 1 hour here, and I'm going to put a buy stop up here. But I will manage it. Like if it doesn't, if the setup, wow. If the setup doesn't arise, relatively soon, I'll cancel. Like I'll keep managing it. Like, so I'll put a buy stop here. Oop. I'm not like expecting this to get hit right now or anything. I'm just putting it there and so I've got it in place. And then I'll manage it as the trade moves up type shit. If it does. If not, then I'll look for potential sells. Oh, thank you for the follow over there, TikTok. Jump on the follows, gang. If you're not, be live streaming every day. It's every day, bro, with that Jake Paul flow. And we can make a maximum of 2 emotional decisions a day. Yeah, bro. Like, that's so true, man. Like, trading is mentally fatiguing. It really is. Rashal, yeah, rainy is crazy today in Brisbane. Bro, legit. Sick view, bro. Thank you, brother. Got the Brisbane city in the back. If you do the New York session with that background, you'll kill it. What pair? This is gold. Do you think it breaks before CPI? Yeah, 100%. We're going to get a break out of this zone before CPI, without a doubt. I won't say without a doubt because anything can happen, but I think the probability of that happening is very high. So let's just assess what happens over here. It's every day, bro. I don't know why I'm singing that freaking song. I'm just loving, this is a perfect onion setup, this 4 hour. Here, let me show you guys something. Anyone that's interested in learning some of these, anything like some of this strategy type shit, let me draw something here. If I black this out, so what's happened is the market's come down, the next candle here has opened up, it's gone like this. The next one after that has opened up. It's gone like this. So we know it's come down and the bodies are getting progressively smaller. Huh, that's interesting. That usually is an indication of a lack of volume. What happened after that? A blue candle opened up and it engulfed the previous candle, indicating, hey, direction, not only are we losing volume, we're actually starting to pick volume up in the opposite direction. And then it actually looks more like this, I think. And then what's happened after that? Now this new candle's opening up. It's wicking down. So my thesis is that this is called an onion setup, that the volume is shifting and we could be ready to start pulling back up and going in that direction. So I'm trying to capitalize on that. See, it's exactly what it is. Right now, yeah, it's red here, but this could just be a wick, right? If it flips, that red becomes a wick. This is the 15 minute. Oh no, it's not the 1 hour. Yeah, there's not much to show. It's still got 8 minutes over here. I'll stay on the 15 for a minute, but I'm basing this potential trade off the hour. It's raining with gold. Bro, can you see the lightning and shit as well? This is going wild back here. See what I was saying, bro? Swipe liquidity, then go the opposite way. Yeah, maybe. But remember what I said, which is, or it could just be moving down and then doing whatever, and then maybe moving back up. Like, it's really just a belief of what, like, if the market does a thing, you go, oh, that's this. Right? You can be like, oh, that's the thing that I think it is. Zeke! What up, brother? You gotta let me. Bro, look at the rain in the background. It's going crazy over here. I full ported my life savings. Now I'm taking partials and settling. No, you didn't, bro. You didn't do that. Can't just go off the 1 hour time frame though. Check lower time frames. In this case, obviously when it gets up there, I will be paying somewhat attention to what the lower time frames are doing, but I'm actually on a rare occasion basing this primarily off the 1 hour. And when I do that, it typically is a much stronger trade. Like, it usually plays out much stronger. The 1 hour is a freaking awesome confirmation candle. Is it crazy in Logan as well? Yeah, it's freaking going wild. Are you from Brisbane? Yeah, Brizzy. I'm in Brizzy right now. For the downside, what would be your strategy? Essentially, potentially this candle right here, closing below this zone. I'm still open to sells, you guys. There's clean range to the left-hand side. I'm not a huge fan that's just printed red. I would like a blue candle to be printed before it goes down, but it's not the biggest range, so I'm not that fast. I could still be interested in sells over here. Let's chill and enjoy some ice creams. Ice cream's so good. Oh, thank you for the freaking ice cream over here. Wild. TikTok, if you're not following, I live stream here every single day. Drop a follow so you don't miss the stream, brother. Canberra. Oh, ODC from Canberra over here. Yeah, I wish the rain was gold as well. 3k likes to 17. Bro, 18k likes now. I know, it's fucking wild. Wild. What's the name of the funded company? Which one? There's so many. There's so many over here. So 5 minutes before this candle closure. The 5 minute, not that I pay attention to, is going to close below here. Or it just did. Again, you guys know my rule. Like I say it all the time. I can't do anything until this candle closes. And if it leaves, it leaves. It's not like another opportunity won't arise. The person that was talking about liquidity grabs and shit like that, this would be where the liquidity people would be frothing from the dick, because if this rejects back up, they're all like, hey, grab liquidity. Yes, I'm in buys. Sydney is raining here too. Oh, sheesh. Lit like a candle. Zeke just jumps around all of the freaking things. Oh, look at that lightning. Which funded company is good in Australia? Everyone except FTMO. Everyone except FTMO. Yeah, I'm in buys now, bro. Literally what you said, liquidity grab. You guys are crazy. I don't know how you can watch a candle move aggressively down and decide to take the opposite trade. Just being like, I hope this is a liquidity grab, but when the market's just like, I'm just moving in a direction. But I get it. I get why. I get the thesis. Damn, that rain, bro. Crazy. Cray. Got to sell at 1116. Would you close the trade? 95 profit. Yes. What other than FTMO? There's Topstep. There's Funded Next. There's Apex. There's heaps, bro. Just Google it. There's so many. What do you think of Funded Next? Is it a good company? Yeah, they seem legit. Like, they've sponsored me. They've given me a free account and a few other accounts I'm still waiting for. Why not FTMO? Because they changed their regulations in Australia. You can only use a 1 to 30 leverage, which is bullshit. Like, you can't even risk 1%. It's only in Australia. It's because Australia has really strict regulations. Damn, TikTok going wild with the likes and follows. Thanks, gang. Let the lightning strike. Man, look at gold just melting over here. I've put a buy in and closed in 114 profit. How? How have you got profit when the market's moving aggressively down? How did you learn to trade, bro? I just did all the basic courses. So I started at babypips.com, did their free course. And then I went around the world and I've done probably every mainstream trader's course, done every strategy, indicator. And then I finally went around the world and I landed back onto the simple strategy that I use now. Nico Nimi, looking at 2605 futures price, maybe pump from there. I like that you mentioned futures price because a lot of people just say a number and expect you to know like if it's futures or whatever it is. 2605. Yeah, right. Yeah, that's the next kind of support zone, right? So we'll see if it gets down there. TikTok, if you're new here, drop a follow, man. I live stream every single day. Do you have a course? No, I want to prove myself first before I start helping other people. But I do believe I can help people tremendously, but I think I need to do a bit more work in proving myself first. I am the future. Daniel, bro, tap in me for real. Okay, yeah, if you join the Discord, TikTok, I got a Discord in my bio there. Join the Discord. Got a bit of a community going on over there. Can chat shit. Bruh, look at gold melting. All the liquidity grab people are shitting their pants right now, right? They all got stopped out just there. And this is why I would never trade liquidity shit, because it's like the market's aggressively moving down. You're like, oh, I'm going to take a buy. And it's like, bro, it's moving down. Why are you trying to buy when the market's moving down and sell when the market's moving up? If a professional trader that's putting hundreds of $1,000s on the line when they enter trades, do you think they're doing that? Or do you think they say, hey, that might be a bit gambling because I'm just hoping that this is going to reject. I'm not waiting for confirmation. I'm just hoping. I get crazy about this shit because people do it all the time in the chat. And I'm like, bro. Darian, what up, brother? My trading view has been acting up. What's the name of the strategy you use? I don't know if I would call it a name, but I have probably 4 or 5 different entry strategies. And then my overall strategy, would just call it price action, no indicators, just naked chart type shit. Just entered more buys. Well, I'm praying for you, brother, because I don't know how you typically have a stop loss, but you entered there, and now you're in 25 pips. Hey, mate, do you regret going on Mars? Maths? No, I don't regret it at all. It changed my life tremendously. Not the show itself, but just having to pick up my life and do a whole different thing and move states and do all this kind of crazy shit forced me to completely change my life for the better. So it probably saved my life, to be honest. What course did you learn from, bro? I've done them all. I've done Raja Banks, Q Banks, fucking Scarface. Every mainstream trader, you know. Wow, I just hit 200 live viewers on TikTok. It's only ever happened like once or twice. Every mainstream trader, you know, I've probably done their course. Daniel, it's Hubu. Oh, I haven't seen you on here for a while. What is up? What is up? Gang, gang. Can learn yourself just takes time and effort. Yeah, pretty much, bro. Big storm coming in. Yeah, it's already hit. All right, so we could have got some sort of fake out here. Maybe it will start pushing up. And if this breaks back into the range, I could look at some sort of buy. But I need it to close back into the range. The 30 minutes still open. So we could see a big wick over here. What are we waiting for? Well, I was waiting for some sort of closure below here, but sometimes the market will just do something impulsive and leave without you. But that's okay. A new setup will arise. And just so I don't forget, I'm actually going to cancel my order over here. And just hang out, because good things come to those who wait. TikTok, if you're not following, drop a follow, gang. I'm live here every single day. Every day. Till this day. Till this day. Who knows that clip? Do you have the best top 3 courses? It depends what type of trader you are, brother. When you started trading, how was it? And did you blow accounts? Yeah, I blew many accounts. I've blown accounts recently even. I blow accounts personally when I told you, bro, trust me, said someone that took a bite. I blow accounts when I be a complete degenerate. That's all. Right? Wilder, yeah. But when I rock up to this stream and I trade like a professional, I stick to my strict set of rules, I'm consistently profitable. It's when I had traded off stream and I've taken a loss and I've tried to get my loss back and I've just been a gambler, really, right? Fuck me, look at this aggression over here. Liquidity grab, people are frothing from the Japsai right now. High emotion with blown accounts. Yes, bro. Yeah. I've made every mistake in the book. Every mistake in the book. I blew my account last week. Gonna jump back on the ball in December. Why are you waiting so long there, Hubu? Is the question. Why are you waiting so long? Bro, I got funded with a 100K account, and then within 2 days I blew the account. Yeah, it's going to be a different set of emotions, right? Once you're funded. And the rough thing is that what was I going to say? Wow, it completely left. What the fuck was I going to say? gone. That's really annoying. It's gone. All right. Yeah, but I learned a lot from it. Yeah, I bet you did, bro. Yeah. Good. Good. Do you know the amount of times I've blown accounts and I've just kind of traded terribly, and it's just like, after it happened, I'm like, you know what? I fucking needed that. Like, that had to happen. I was getting too degenerate-y. I was trading too much like a degenerate. I needed to be humbled. Must have been a lie. TikTok, I'm nearly at 20k likes. Can you please fulfill my wildest dreams and get me to 20k? It will still pump up. Yeah, I'm still pretty bullish, but we'll see. I need capital to trade D. Yeah, but it depends. If you go to somewhere like Topstep, you just pay like a monthly fee. It's pretty cheap. Go to Apex. Apex has like an 80% fucking discount right now. It's so cheap. Oh, 20k likes. Yes! If I had a dumbbell right here, right now, I would be... I don't know what I would be doing. I felt like that before after blowing accounts, like it teach me a lesson. Yeah, bro. Yeah, it's always a lesson. But you have to make it a lesson, you guys. When you lose and you just kind of like, all right, I'll go back tomorrow. Like, you have to assess it. You have to journal it. You have to really figure out why did I lose just then? What mistakes did I make? And what can I set in place so I don't make them same mistakes again? Otherwise, you're just going to keep losing. There's traders, bro. If you go through YouTube and like look at traders, there's traders that like live stream and stuff, and they've been trading for like 6 years plus, and they still suck dongs. Like, they're really bad. And it's like, wow, that's a person that just kept showing up every day, losing money, and they didn't make a conscious effort to actually get better. That's terrifying. So it's not just about showing up every day. It's about showing up with making a conscious effort to improve your weaknesses and your flaws. Oh, thank you for the follows over there, TikTok. You guys are the chosen ones. I have been funded 3 times and lost all of them when FOMO hit me. Oh, lucky cat on the lols over here. Damn, what was I meant to say about that? Oh, that's what I was going to say. That was the thing I forgot when people talk about the funded. It's probably not a good thing to say right now when people talk about blowing funded accounts, but it's just like there's a statistic that show only 1% of traders, or 1 to 2% of traders will ever get to their first payout, because they will usually blow it when they get the funded account, because it's a new set of psychology that kicks in. 20k likes. Yes, we hit it. Bro, I'm at 26k. Fucking hell. That's wild. Okay, well, that just went up so freaking quick. I'll spam you with the likes like an auto clicker. Keep an eye on the US dollar prices, bro. Yeah, I won't, but I see what you mean. I know it's going to affect it. I've been liquidated more than a rug shop. It's an honor to be amongst the chosen. Yes. Yep. Sell gold, never sell Bitcoin, said someone in the chat. I stopped playing the lotto and put the money in this instead, and I don't feel like I'm losing. That's a very interesting statement. Okay, yeah. It's 100% going to be more than the lot, like better than the lotto. But I hope you're not approaching this like a gamble. Like, are you actually trying to become a good trader? Green wick with a long candle. Yeah, let's see. We've still got 6 minutes. A lot can happen in 6 minutes over here, gang. Lost my house, put it all on black. Is that true, or are you just saying that? That's fucking wild. Do you think it will pump? I don't know. Let's just wait and see. TikTok, if you're new here, drop a follow, gang. I'll be live every day. And if you're not following, you're going to miss the live. It's just that simple. It's math. It's literally math and science and physics. Lucky cat, I was laughing when you said they trade 6 years and still suck. It's, man, like, if you go through the depths of YouTube, there's a lot. And it's scary. It scared me. I'm like, wow, maybe this is a trap. And then I started to because I'm an overthinker, I started to really think about it and try and figure it out. I'm like, hang on, let me watch these guys. their mindset is all wrong. Like there's guys on YouTube that have been trading for many years and they do it live and they suck, like they're really bad, to the point that I actually thought it was a parody. Like I thought they were being satire, but they're not. They're really just like the things that they're saying and their mindset and their breathing and just like, yeah, it's wild stuff out here. So it just reminded me, you have to make a conscious effort to get better. Otherwise you'll just be stuck in the death loop. Do you make passive income from trading? Not yet, bro. Not yet. So I still have a day job. I wake up, go to the gym, work my day job, then I come on the charts and trade and try and become better every day. And I have the same ambitions that you have of being fulfilling your dreams with trading, right? So I'm just showing up every day and doing the goddamn thing. 30k likes, bro. What the I was at 3k likes a while ago. You guys are the best. Thank you. I wonder, yeah, wow. Oh, someone said here in Capitals, buy now. Yeah, Apex funding has 80% off, I'm pretty sure. Defo trying to improve. Got back to demo now because I lost half. Been a few weeks. Yeah, awesome to hear, bro. Keep working there. Oh, thank you for the flowers over there. No pills, don't. 58 flowers. Holy shit, bro. I don't know what that means, but wild. Here, Lucky Cat. It's because they make money from prop, affiliate, and YouTube, not trading. Oh, maybe. Yeah. Maybe, yep. But I don't think these prop people would even endorse some of these guys. Honestly, it's crazy. Oh, a lot of people, like another person in the chat said, buy now. What's the Apex link? I'm not sure. Just Google Apex funding. Look, someone said Apex funding is the best. Verified gangster, buy. Everyone buy. Guys, Apex is still not paying out. Be careful. Oh, Lucky Cat in the chat over here on YouTube said, be careful with Apex funding. Honestly, I think they're a bit sus as well. Like 80% discount, really, bro? And they don't pay out. Like they have a thing that shows how many people, how much money they've paid out per month and stuff like that. I'm like, is that it? Like, it's either traders suck or you people are sus. Will you trade your own funds eventually? I want to stack prop accounts first. Wow, TikTok, I'm nearly at 100 follows from this stream. If 3 people can follow me right now, I will pray to the trading gods for you. I will literally pray to the trading gods to you if you're not following me right now and you follow. Oh, Triple H, 6H8. Trading gods, please make 888, 68H profitable. The profits are coming. Gold is going down. Oh, Jigsaw _ K9, not true at all. Me and my buddy trade via Apex and their payout confirmed. Oh, incredible. Okay. So someone here over on the YouTube chat over here is getting payouts. Maybe some people bad experience. Yeah. Oh, Mo followed. Trading gods, please make Mo profitable. I need one more follow to get to 100 followers. And oh, Alfredo Ferris. Make Alfredo Ferris profitable. Fuck, I'm a weirdo. Monica, Maruna, Forex failure. See, everyone wants to get profits now if they know that I'm praying to the gods. Gang, we've got a minute and a half over here for this closure. The 30 minutes still open. And the 1 hour still open. A lot can happen over here still. So let's just stay on the 30 minute for now and just see if this can reject up and break back into the zone. Let's see if we can reject up and break. Oh, Cat _ Beast over here dropped 22 double G's. I don't know what that means in money form, but you guys are wild over there in the gifts. I think this might be the most gifts I've ever got on a stream. Interesting. Okay, so we've got some conflicting thing over here in the YouTube chat. Some people are getting payouts from Apex and other people apparently are getting screwed around. Verified gangsters trying to get us all to click buy over here. And I've got 33k likes, so everything's firing on all cylinders. All right, so we've got 40 seconds over here. Can this reject up and break back into the zone, into the range, sorry. 40 seconds to do so. Nico, any experience with Funded X? Does anyone have any experience with Funded X? Because I personally don't. Look at this. Look at that big rejection back up into the zone here, you guys. So I'll tell you what I might be interested in over here. Check this out, you guys. If the next candle can open up and wick down like this and flip, I might look at taking a buy about there as a fake out trade. This is one of my setups, and it might be something I'm looking at over here. So let me just do a quick little look through the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 30 minute. So 30 minute just closed back in the range, and let's see what happens over here. Oh, someone over here in the chat said I'm with Funded X right now. And someone else said Funded X is really good, and they do honest payouts. Okay. So I can't take this buy unless it gives me a wick first, and if it does decide to keep going, I'm still buy heavy. I'm still buy sexual, and if this pushes up, if this flips green, I might be interested in a buy up here. It's a bit sus, like it's moved a lot. Just green. These markets really like to throw spanners in the works, right? Let's just wait. Let's just watch and see what happens over here. How to the funded trading accounts work? Basically, yeah, there's a challenge phase where they say you need to get 6% profits without losing a certain amount, and once you do that, they say, okay, cool, here, you can trade with this money. Let's say you did a 50k account, but it's not really their money, but the profits you make on it is real. It's hard to explain, like briefly. Just look it up. It's pretty simple. Prediction for CPI? No one knows. Who cares? It's a gamble anyway, so... How do you draw the rectangles and stuff? It's on Zoom. Zoom has like a drawing feature. I used to wonder as well, but yeah, it's Zoom. Oh, someone just took a quick scalp off the 1 minute. Nice. Nah, I don't. I'm not trying to participate in that high volume news. So let's look at this 1 hour. Bit of a sus wick there. I don't know, man. If it didn't, like, I've been saying this whole time that I'll be interested in potential buys up here, but this big wick is just making me sus now. I'm going to stick to my original analysis that if anyone was been watching from the start, I said if this 1 hour can push up here, I'm going to put a buy stop. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm a bit sus on like the amount in which oh, my order's filled, so there's nothing I can do about it now. Bro, how am I 5 pips slipped? I got slipped for like fucking 5 pips. Wow. So I'm going to get this ready to take off positions if it starts to look ugly. Let me bring my stop loss down to around there. Let me switch to like... What's the 15? Actually, I'll stay on the 1 hour here on this. I'll stay on the 1 hour here. So anyone that's watching the stream from the start, I was basically saying this is exactly what I'm waiting for on the 1 hour. And I'm going to take a trade based on the 1 hour candle. I wasn't that keen on that big wick over there, but beggars can't be choosers, right? So let's just see what happens over here. Let me see what the 15 still very open. If it flips red, I might just close the whole trade. Or manage it somehow. I just wasn't the keenest on that big wick there, that's all. That's the main reservation I had. Sorry, I can't really read the chat because this could move quite impulsively right here. And I just want to try and manage my trade. What are you trading, gold? Goldilocks. Daniel, is this not gambling? What do you mean? Trading or just... If you were here early in the stream, you would see that this is what I was waiting for. There's a couple things that kind of didn't tick the box. It's really just that big wick. But I'll just have to manage the trade. Yeah, it's looking pretty ugly, you guys. It's looking pretty ugly. She's looking pretty ugly. I'm gonna close it in a sec. Potentially. We're going down. Yeah, that would suck for me. That would suck for me. Someone else said bye now. Oh, fuck me. That's funny. Mikey, do you use any indicators? VWAP? Nah, no indicators, brother. Me no indicate. You're not the only one, brother. Are you in a sell or a buy? I'm in a buy. I'm in a buy. You can see it right here, right? You can see it on the screen. Look, I'm in a buy. I'm 5 pips in the red. So I got slipped a little bit, to be honest. Oh, someone over here just passed the 25 Apex account. Excellent. Good stuff, man. I'm in a buy position too. Well, we're off to the moon together. It's going to close in the zone. Well, only time will tell, right? Because right now it's looking pretty not closey in the zoney. I'm in the same buy. Oh, nice, nice. Very nice. I'm in buys. Oh, there's a lot of people in buys over here. Good stuff. But yeah, like I said, anyone that was watching at the start of the stream, I based this trade off the 1 hour. The only thing that kind of wasn't ideal for me was the fact that it left a giant wick, because you have to ask yourself, what's the probability of a trade moving so green for so long without creating some red first? And yeah, that was my only issue over there. But I might look at potentially closing this in a minute. I'm out, you guys. I'm out. Cool, I'm happy with that. Let's have a look over here. 337. I'll take that. I'll take that, you guys. Small wins, my dudes. Small wins. We just stack the dubs. Stack the dubs. Fuck the dude that said we're gambling. Oh. The only reason I would have held that for longer, but I don't like trades that have moved this green for that long, because you have to ask yourself what's the probability that it needs to create a bit of support first before it continues up. So pretty clean dub over there. Like obviously, like I said, I could have held, but yeah, I'm happy with that. I don't need to freaking take over the world, but I'm gonna hang out. Another opportunity could arise over here in a minute, you guys. So let's see if we can get another trade over here and keep it going. Oh, past a 15k yesterday. Excellent, Chris. Nice. How'd that trade treat you? Good. Good. What's the buy TP? I don't know where yours is, but I'm out. No, the good target would be up here, but yeah, that's a beautiful onion setup right there. If anyone remembers earlier in the stream, I drew exactly this up. The only thing I didn't draw is this big wick, and I didn't like that there was that much green. Typically, I would like, obviously, not that much continual green movement, because all the thing that goes through my head is, damn, does it need to create some support before it continues up? It's going up, bro. Yeah, it's going up. But I took my piece of the pie. I don't need to be greedy. I don't need to take on the whole world. Nice trade, Dan. Oh, thank you, Raphael. Oh, I haven't seen you here in a while, Raphael. Excellent, man. Yeah, the boys. We did a damn thing. But let's see if we can get another trade over here. I'm still feeling pretty fresh. I wish I could show you my analysis. You can, brother. Drop it in the Discord. In my TikTok bio, there's my Discord. If you drop some analysis in there, I'll bring it up here on the stream. Damn, guys. Like, look at this. In hindsight, I could have held out longer. I'd probably be a 25 pip trade right now. But I'll be honest, I was a bit sus. And like, when you see this much green, you can't help but to think, like, look at that big. That just dropped like 10 pips in 1 second. You can't help but to think, what's the probability that it needs to create a bit of support now? Nice trade. Oh, thank you, Rash Harl. Thank you. Yeah, nice little trade there. We're in a bit of drawdown initially, but I was still relatively confident in it. But yeah. How can I follow you? Click follow. Sadly, couldn't have entered as I haven't verified my funded yet. Oh, that's all right. We can take the trade with our mind. Oh, you got a Discord. Yeah, Discord in the TikTok bio. Join the Discord, you guys. I'm not selling anything. It's just let's catch up, talk trading, and if you got some analysis, drop it in there, and I'll pull it up on the stream, because I'm curious as well. And if you're on YouTube, yeah, check out my there's a Discord in the chat there. Because TikTok, I'm on YouTube right now as well. Daniel Holmes Trades, and it's like the full screen. You don't have to watch kind of the little gay TikTok screen. Gale bought at 266. Oh, you bought all the way up here. I like that you did what a lot of these people do. A lot of people try to take sells there because they want to catch it at a cheap price. Yeah, the Discord's completely free, of course. Absolutely. So I like what you did there. But, you know, you've kind of moved a bit here. That's the reason why I closed the trade, because I've already moved quite a lot green. But, yeah, who knows? Nice trade. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Dan, next time buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Damn it. You're fucking right. I should have. Hey, Dan, what lot size do you trade with? Well, then I just use the 24 mini contracts, I think it is. 24 mini contracts on a 100k account. So it depends what the size of your account is and things like that. TikTok, if you're not following, you need to drop a follow, my gang. I can see that Mick just did, and so did A. Saraki, so did Lauren and Hefziba. Thank you, gang. Thank you for the follow. Love yous all. We're just hanging out here for a minute now. I just caught a little buy on that way up there. It was based off the 1 hour. My only reservation with that 1 hour was the fact that it left a big wick, and that wick means that we moved up green consistently for quite a long time. And in my head, I go, damn, we've moved up quite a lot, just green. What's the probability that it needs to print some red before it continues up? And during that red, is it going to hit my stop loss? So I was happy with the trade that I got. I got like, 13 pips there. That's heaps for me. And got some profits, got $337 there. And let's see if we can get something else happening over here. Yep, still trading. Let's trade is trade, right? I still feel pretty fresh. I don't know about you guys. I'll hang out for a little while more and see if something else can happen over here. This has been like a wild stream with TikTok, like the likes and follows. You guys are sick. You guys are sick. I'd follow you if I use social media, but I only use YouTube. Oh, Lucky Caddy, you follow me on YouTube then? Because I'll be live on YouTube, and I'm going to start making a bit more longer format content on YouTube as well, like actually dropping some videos and shit. What time frame is it and what platform? This is a 1 hour. So I base this is called an onion setup, where it's a pullback on a slight uptrend, right? We're kind of progressively moving up in some sort of range here. You can see that. Let me zoom out a little bit. Like, it doesn't take a rocket science to see, like, there's obviously some sort of uptrend to some regard happening over here. And based on the 1 hour alone, we've seen a candle come down. The candle bodies were getting smaller. And not only were they getting smaller, it actually flipped green at some point, right? What happened after that? The next one, I was anticipating that push up. The only reservation I had is that it went all the way down before it did push up. And that was a lot of green consistently. But other than that, yeah, we caught a nice little trade over there. Tell us about CPI today. Let's have a look at CPI. What numbers are they expecting? So they're expecting pretty similar numbers, but yeah, who knows, brother? I need to sleep so bad, but I won't sleep until you finish the live, cat. Oh, bro. I respect the love. Thank you, bro. But yeah, if you need to sleep, brother, fill the gap and go up. Yeah, let's see. Wayne, tell us about your 5 entry models, please. It's too much to go through just here. And like I've said a few times on here, I would love to prove myself a little bit more and actually start teaching it properly, because I truly believe that I could teach it. And I'm not trying to pump myself up, but I've done every course that's out there, bro. And they all kind of suck in a little bit of a way. I'm going to be honest. They give you enough, but they don't give you enough, I feel like. And I feel like I could plan mine out so well that it just gives you all the tools. It'll give you all the tools for the strategy. And then the main component is you having to look in the mirror and going, okay, I'm an angry, emotional, jealous, whatever type of person, and it all reflects on the market. So I need to become a better person before I can execute this strategy to the best of its ability. But in my Discord, there's a section called education. I'm going to start dropping little things in there. Like, there's some stuff in there now of like simulation sessions where oh, my live was just removed. Let's have a look over here on TikTok. What does it say? Live removed. Why? Frauds and scams. We want people to be able to use your platform for financial responsibility, consider blah, 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 without worrying that scams or financial exploitation. We do not accept. Nah, this was a mistake, you insane people. Sorry, TikTok. Yeah, TikTok just said I was appeal submitted. TikTok just said I'm scamming and being a fraud, and they closed the stream. I just clicked appeal. Wow, wild stuff over there. Sorry, YouTube. I'll focus in a sec. I'll just read him if there's any other thing I missed. TikTok's so cooked, bro. The amount of times my lives get spammed like this. Anyway, let me just close down TikTok over here. TikTok does that to a lot of people, does it? Yeah, that's so lame that it does that. How long's this candle? Is it 15? Look at this 15 close quite nicely up here. Dude, that's uncool. Yeah, bro. The TikTok's done this a couple times to me for different reasons. Yeah. It's pretty lame, bro, to be honest. It's pretty lame. I think it's not a good idea to trade on TikTok. It's a good idea. It is good, but I just clicked appeal. Maybe I need to put some sort of disclaimer on there, but lots of people have TikTok live streams. They don't put disclaimers like that. All right, well, just YouTube. At least I can freaking move this back out of the middle of the screen. What's the time, gang? You guys, I'm probably actually going to call it a day here in a minute anyway. I'm up for the day. 3:30, 3:37. Scammers and yeah, gold traders. Yeah, like what the flip, man? We're just out here trying to make a living. We're just trying to do the goddamn thing. But got a nice little trade there, guys. I'm gonna call it a day and come back tomorrow. Thanks for showing up. Appreciate you guys a lot. Love yous all. And nah, I'm not stressed. I'm sweet. Fuck it. It's all good. But yeah, I hope you guys have some success here. Join the Discord if you're not. Maybe we can have a chat in the Discord. But yeah, have a good day and night, you guys. And I'll catch you tomorrow if you're around.